Hello friends, welcome to Student Corner. Today we will discuss one of the most important problems in class 10. If you solve this problem, you definitely have 10 marks in your hand. Prove that root 5 is irrational. The question can change. In place of root 5, they can give root 3 and root 2. The solution for this is, assume root 5 as rational. Write root 5 is equal to P by Q, where P and Q are co-primes and Q is not equal to 0. Example for co-primes 17 and 19. They don't have any common factor. That's why they are called co-primes. By cross multiplying, we will get Q root 5 is equal to P. Squaring on both sides, we will get root 5 Q whole square is equal to P whole square. By applying square to both root 5 and Q, we will get root 5 whole square and Q whole square is equal to P whole square. By cancelling square with root, we will get 5Q square is equal to P square. By sending this 5 to this side, we will get Q square is equal to P square divided by 5. If P square is divisible by 5, then P is also divisible by 5. For this, the best example is, if 5 square 25 is divisible by 5, then 5 is also divisible by 5. Now write this equation as 1. Let P is equal to 5C. C is any integer. Substitute this in equation 1. We will get 5Q square is equal to 5C whole square. In P place we will write 5C. By applying this square to both 5 and C, we will get 5 square nothing but 25 and C whole square is equal to C square. By cancelling this 25 with 5, we will get 5. Now Q square is equal to 5C square and C square is equal to Q square divided by 5. By sending this 5 to this side, we will get Q square divided by 5. Q square is divisible by 5. Q is divisible by 5. I already told the example for this. Q is divisible by 5. P is also divisible by 5. Both P and Q have common factors 5. But we assume P and Q are co-primes. But co-primes didn't have any common factors. Hence our assumption is wrong. And P and Q are not co-primes. Hence proved root 5 is irrational. I hope you understand this video. If any doubts, ask me. Thank you. Please share and subscribe my channel.